Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group T. We are going to present on Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Hi, my name is Sarah Nabila binti Indonesia. In our presentation, we will explain on the definition, components, implementation, examples, and the pros and cons of ERP. So, what is ERP? ERP is a software or system that supports multiple functions that used by an organization to manage and integrate all daily activities such as supply chain, manufacturing, accounting, and more. ERP consolidates all information needed for a company to run its business in a single centralized software that can be easily accessed remotely by everyone. The objective of ERP is to increase the organizational efficiency of an organization by managing and improving how the company or an organization utilizes its resources. The second objective is to minimize data redundancy by eliminating duplicate entries. There are three types of ERP. The first one is on-premise ERP software. On-premise ERP software, it gives a business complete control on the ERP software, but it requires a deep bench IT expertise to maintain the system and the server. The second one is cloud-based ERP software. This type of ERP software is the best option for small business as it is lower maintenance compared to the on-premise ERP software. Third one is hybrid ERP software. Hybrid ERP software is the best choice for those organizations that has strict regulations in terms of data security, management, and more. Next, let's look at the component of ERP.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syairah binti Muhammad Nasir, and I will be presenting about the main component of ERP. There are 6 main components of ERP, which are: the first one is the human resources management, the customer relationship management, the business intelligence, supply chain management, inventory management, and the last one is the financial management. Now let's go one by one. The first one is the human resources management. This element has important features, which is the payroll software. It helps to automate the direct deposit and to reduce the paperwork or the data entry. And other than that, this element also helps to handle the employment tasks such as the recruitment or on-offboarding, and also defining the salary structures of the employees. It also helps to monitor the performance of the employees and alert the manager from the visual report, such as in terms of the graph, charts, and also suggesting the manager regarding the training program that's suitable for the employees. The second main element is the customer relationship management. The important features are it can track the customer buying habits, such as the previous purchases and the wish list of the customer. It also collects and stores essential data such as the name, address, age, and etc. And by having this element, it helps to track the conversation history between the customer and also the management easier. And we can reduce the redundancy in the sales process, minimize the customer irritation, and ensure a successful sale. Business intelligence. This element is the foundation pillar of the ERP system. Business intelligence element collects the data, perform analysis that can provide actionable insight from various departments, and the data is presented effectively and in a complete view, such as in forms of the tables or the numbers. So it helps in the decision making across the departments. It is easier for us to see a complete view of the data and how the various aspects of the business affect factors such as the profitability by using this integrated element. The fourth element is the supply chain management. The ERP system for this element helps to collect real-time data. The management can find and fix issues when they happen, and it also has a predictive analysis that help for the production in planning for their demand. And another feature is it can order materials before it goes below the threshold level, so it ensures that our production facility never runs out of material. It also can boost the profitability since it has an automated status for the purchased product by the customer, so the customer can keep tracking on their own purchased product. Inventory management system. This element works together with the supply chain management. So the function of this element is it take care of sales order and warehousing. So it has automated inventory management that can help in reducing the manual inventory control. It also has automatically updated out of stock materials on website so that our customer don't have to place orders for products that we don't have in our warehouse. The last element of ERP is the financial management. This element analyzes and keeps track of the financial data such as the account receivable, account payable, the budgets and the costs. It also conducts financial forecasts that help the management to increase the profit in the future. And last but not least, it also helps to boost the productivity and reduce the workload of the employees. This element not only integrates the financial transaction across the department, but it also frees up the time for the employees. So that's all from me. I pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Naruzakira binti Ahmad Zaidi and I'm going to present about the ERP implementation. So what is the ERP implementation? It is a system that provides many functions to our business such as in operation, financial, management, human resource, sales and purchase and also manufacturing. It is a complex system that delivers benefits in a way that can increase our profit and productivity. There are 6 phases in the implementation plan, and which consists of the first one is discovery and planning. The second one is design, the third development, the fourth is testing, and the fifth is the deployment, and the last one is support and update. So I'm going to explain in detail on each phases. So we go for the first one is discovery and planning. All ERP projects begin with a discovery and planning phase that includes researching and selecting a system, building a project teams, and defining detailed system requirements. The project team take on a wide range of implementation, including project design, schedule and set deadlines, ensure adequate resources allocated, make design and product decisions, and manage the project on a daily basis. The project teams include an executive sponsor, project manager, and also the head of each department to ensure that the changes manage to control the whole organizations. And now we go to the second phase, design. The design section works from detailed aspects associated with the current workflows to develop understanding on new system. In this phase, it helps the company to customize the software and show how to migrate data to the new system. It's vital to involve users within the design phase since they need the most intimate understanding of current business process. Including them will make sure that they will be prepared and welcome the new system and fully utilize it well. Okay, next we move to development. The third phase, after complete with the clear design section, the development phase can begin. If the company use an on-premise ERP system, the company will want to put in the important hardware and software program. In parallel with the software improvement, the group must broaden the education substance to assist customer changes to the brand new system. Furthermore, having a planned data migration, which may be complicated because it frequently transforms data more than one system. For example, the new system might use an exclusive codes in different format or inconsistent information. So now we move to the fourth phase, which is testing. Testing is an important step to complete a successful ERP system. For example, the project team may test specific modules or features, develop fixes or changes based on the result, and also retest. Other than that, proceed the test one test ERP module, whereas another remains in development can be an efficient step in testing process. Most vendors will offer pre or post deployment tools to start user coaching and the company should make sure the training materials are well used in development phase. So the next phase is deployment, which is the day the device is going live. Be organized for ability issues, considering there can be quite a few shifting components and probable a few befuddled employees that struggle to adapt the new system. The task group must be quite simply to be able to reply to any questions, assist customers to recognize the device and try to restore any issues. Our implementation partners must be capable of assist with troubleshooting if necessary. The last phase is support and updates. So the last phase may be the key to have successful ERP system by adopting support and updates to make sure the customer had happy benefits from the system. Getting users feedback and adjusting the system accordingly to help the process run smoothly. Extra development and configuration can be added to the new system as the system will run as planned. So that's all from me. The next part will be presented by Syaira Abdul Ghani.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syaira binti Abdul Ghani and I am going to present on the company that implementing ERP system in their daily operation. ERP is applicable to all type of business, either small, medium or a large one, because it helps to simplify various complex operation, can increase efficiency, reduce cost and optimize the productivity of the business. These three are the example of a large company that implement ERP system in their daily operation, which is Starbucks, Toyota and Amazon. The first company is Starbucks. Starbucks use Oracle ERP. It is a cloud-based software solution used to automate back-office processes and day-to-day business activity. It is a business management software suite that include financial management, supply chain management, project management, accounting and procurement. ERP system for Starbucks is effective and thus it has been contributing to the organization positive performance. Regarding the impact of ERP system on Starbucks, it helps to enhance the ability to access information. The employee and the manager of Starbucks enable to access the information from different sources within the organization and hence to have adequate knowledge on how the company operates. Besides that, by using this ERP system, it helps Starbucks to reduce their operating and supply chain costs. With all the information being computerized and available in one system, there is no paperwork to be done and thus it will reduce the overhead cost of the company. This system also is more effective and timeliness for them because they will make less mistake, and with a decrease in mistake with ordering and finance, it will greatly increase the efficiency of the supply chain of the company. The second company is Toyota. Toyota choose Microsoft Dynamics 365 in their daily operation. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a cloud-based business application platform that combines components of CRM, ERP along with the productivity of application and artificial intelligence tools. This Microsoft Dynamics helps to manage the after-sales service skills and operation for distributors that offering services to their product to the customer all over the world. This software also allows the company to view budget information, opportunity for sales and timeline. This software also have the ability to create timeline of event and a customer relationship rating. The third one is Amazon. Amazon use ERP software called System Analysis and Program Development, SAP. This software provide multiple business functions with a single view of the truth. This software helps company to better manage complex business process by giving employees of different departments easy access to real-time insight across the enterprise. This company, Amazon, has been using SAP software suite since 2008 and they have been implemented a number of modules in their business suite implementation. This software provides shipment details, tracking tools and have the ability to view reports. This software also allows users to choose options that includes production details, MRP, services, human resource, customer report, and also they have the ability to use an interactive analysis. That's all from me. Thank you. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our beloved doctor and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Atira binti Nur Azman, and now I will be presenting about the advantages of ERP system. Since ERP system has been adopted in every industry around the world to ease the company in managing their organization, therefore we need to know the advantages of this system before implementing it. There are 6 main advantages of the system. First, advantages of the system are increased productivity. Since ERP system is automation, which is from invoice generation to marketing automation, so this will help employee to be more productive in other areas and ensures that all important process are not overlooked. Plus, it eliminates the need for time-consuming manual processes such as data entry across multiple systems. Second advantage of ERP system is reduce operational costs. This is due to the reason that by simply unifying your IT system, it eliminates the need for multiple licenses, support fees, infrastructure, and administrative resources to manage it all. Hence, ERP will provide you with new levels of data to help you manage operations proactively, prevent disruptions and delays, and make faster decisions. Third is integrated information. With an ERP, information gathered from across all the departments is consolidated into a single source. This makes it easier to share consistent, unique, and accurate data. Not only that, but organization also can get an information just with one quick glance. As a result, coordination between departments becomes more coherent. Fourth advantages is better data and cloud security. Cloud ERP systems enable workers to operate distantly. Additionally, an ERP system can be configured to accommodate workforce changes and more users as their business expand in the future. It also helps organizations to avoid installing malicious software, as well as data will be distributed across multiple servers safely. Besides that, ERP systems spanning across business functions have controls on who can view and edit sensitive information, and this will prevent data security breach. Fifth advantages is easier reporting and planning. Since ERP has integrated all systems, especially reporting systems, then an accurate real-time data can be generated and shared without the intervention of an IT expert. Employees can generate reports, establish problems, and offer instant solutions by themselves. Interdepartmental databases are customized to allow the integrations of information for easy access. Last but not least, the last advantages of ERP system is improve customer service. ERP system help organization by enabling customer service and sales team to quickly access customer data, so they have an easier time addressing customer concerns and tracking experience history. Some customers are willing to pay more just to get tip-top customer service. Therefore, this ERP system will help the organization. So, I guess that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur binti Razali. I would like to present on the disadvantages of Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP). First disadvantage of ERP is that it is costly. A new software will cost a lot of money to implement. Same goes to ERP. It requires the cost of installation and the training before starting using the ERP software, and also the company might have to hire additional tech staff. Not just that, maintenance and continuous training are needed as the system need to be regularly updated, and therefore it increase the cost. If the company is opting for ERP software as a service, it can increase the price. Usually there are monthly or annually installments, so companies can continue using the system if they continue to pay for it. Second disadvantage of ERP is slow data conversion. When using the ERP system for the first time, the existing data needs to be converted into the new format. The input process takes a lot of time. The more the data, the longer the process will take. Even digitized data takes time to migrate into a new system. Besides, the company also need to make sure there is no missing data or duplicate data during the migration process. There is a risk of data loss or duplicated. If that happens, it takes longer to start using the system and more work to do. Next, the disadvantage of ERP is it requires full participation of users. Every employee in the company need to participate in using the system so that the implementation is successful. However, it requires training and learning session to understand the system and how it works. It may be hard for some employees, especially the older generation, to learn the process of the ERP system. If there is lack of participation from the employee, it can lead to failure in implementation and operation of the system. They also might mishandle the system and could result in loss of valuable information. Lastly, while implementing the ERP system, it could lead to decrease in effectiveness. This is due to the system requiring a lot of time and cost. ERP provide numerous capabilities, therefore the process to implement it might be challenging, which include the process of migration of data, arranging the training courses for employees, customizing processes, and other tasks. All this requires a lot of time and cost, and it could bring losses to the company. The process can take up from a month to years to implement it and to be used with maximum effectiveness. The company may not recover the loss if they did not take care of the risk that might happen. That's all from me and my group. Thank you.